Winner of the 2022 TIDA Australian Imported Kitchen is Rachel Freeman and David Kane of Pepper Design.
When the owners of this new architecturally designed single-level home relocated from Vietnam to Melbourne, they wanted a spectacular centerpiece kitchen for Vietnamese cooking and entertaining. And with one of them being a semi-professional cook, the kitchen also had to have a high degree of functionality, quality appliances, accessibility to small appliances, and sufficient storage for her considerable cookware collection. The material selection includes a magnificent slab of violet onyx natural stone and certified sustainable solid oak cabinetry, which sit harmoniously with the contemporary architecture and complete the owner's beautiful handcrafted furniture pieces from Vietnam. But what the TIDA judges found particularly impressive was the degree of mechanization and automation incorporated into the design. While it is not unusual for kitchens with this high degree of specification to have electronic bifold doors to upper cabinets and electronic underbench drawers, this kitchen takes automation much further. At the touch of a button, the Onyx benchtop silently lifts and lowers to a comfortable height to suit a variety of tasks or occasions, while built-in sensors prevent it lowering onto anything underneath. Congratulations to Rachel Freeman and David Kane at Pepper Design, winner of the 2022 TIDA Australia Imported Kitchen of the Year.